Okay, this is 30th August, and as you can see, the market is actually open gap up around 0.4%, and it still looks like it's going up. We have to do our adjustment since we do not have any premium left into our put sell positions. It's around 7 rupees only. So let's quickly do our adjustment, and we are going to square off this put position, and we are also going to square off our oldest put buy position since the market is going upward. So this is the oldest one. After squaring off, I am almost making 4,000 rupees profit. So let's do this. I am going to do for at market price only. Okay, all the positions being squared off. Now let's add our positions. Going to buy two lots at the same, and I'm going to sell at 8 delta, 33 lots. Let's apply this at market price only. Okay, all the positions been filled. This is how our payoff chart will look like after that. Just we could actually make 3% of our invested amount, which is around 28 lakh rupees. Our break evens are at 45, 300 to 300. Our break evens actually shifted after the adjustment. Okay, this is a status update, and this is Bank Nifty daily chart. And as you can see, market is actually dropping very sharply from this level. So because of that, our premiums in a call sell sides are actually gone very low. It's around 9 rupees only. So I'm going to square off this position, and also going to square off my oldest call buy position. So let's do that adjustment. Let's do it at market price only. Okay. Now again, I'm going to add two lots at the money, and I'm going to sell. Now I'm going to sell call sell side. I'm going to add 0.09 delta because it is close to 8, and 6 is quite far from that. So market actually gone very sharply down. So that is the reason I'm actually choosing this 0.09 delta. So let's do it on a market price only. Okay, all the adjustment has been done. Okay, after the adjustment, this is how my payoff chart will look like. My maximum profit has gone down to 1.6% of my fund. So my break evens are around 44,700 and 45,000. Status update of 31st August, and this is expiry day. As you can see, market actually still going down, even though it actually opened little bit up, but still under basically still going downside. So because of that, our call sell premiums are actually very low, around 7 rupees only. So we are going to do our adjustment again today. So let's do that adjustment. I'm going to square off this call sell position, as well as I'm going to sell this the oldest call buy, which is this one 44,200 call. So let's square off this two positions, and after the squaring off, I'm around making 5,250 rupees loss. So let's do this and exit the positions. Actually, I by mistake exited two lots, but I have to exit only one lot. So I'm going to buy again, and I completed all the sell positions. Let's do that. Let's add two buy positions at the money, and selling at 8 delta 33 lots. Let's execute the positions. After exiting the position, this is how my payoff chart will look like. Even the market goes downside, I am actually making around 18,000 rupees profit, and if it goes up again, I'm almost making 5,000 rupees loss only. Okay, this is another update. As you can see, my call sell side positions are with a very low premium, around 9 rupees. So I'm going to do one more adjustment into this, and going to shift it to 44,500. So let's do this adjustment and exit the position. Well, after the adjustment, I was making 200 rupees profit. So let's exit the positions. Okay, all the positions been exited. Now let's add our positions with same rule. Since we actually already bought 4 lots on this strike price, I'm going to add 4 extra lots with 33 lots in order to sell 33 lots at this strike price. Let's do this. While doing that, I almost booked this 14,000 rupees loss also. So let's do that. Okay, all the trade has been executed. After the adjustment, this is how my payoff chart will look like. And since I already booked my 14,000 rupees loss, so I don't have any loss into this strategy now. And this also shifted my break even to 44 exactly, a little bit downer. And my upper is 44,500, which is 1%. Okay, this is another adjustment into the Bank Nifty, the 31st August strategy, the same day. As we know that market actually gone down even lower than that, and my premiums on call sell side are around 8 rupees only. So I'm going to scare off this with my oldest call buy position, that is 44,400. So let's exit these two positions. Okay, the positions have been exited. Now let's move on to our adding the positions. So I'm going to add 2 lots at the same market price, and going to add 2 lots again at the same market price, and going to add 33 lots at 44,400. Let execute this trades. Going to execute at market price only. Okay, all the trade has been executed. This is my payoff chart will look like after the adjustment, and my maximum profit has gone to 1.6% of my total invested amount. This is 26 lakh rupees. So I'm totally at the very break even point. So if the market even drop from that position also, again, then I could actually make loss from there. So my break evens are around 43,995, and upper break even is 44,455. So which is around 1% of every. Okay, this is a status update. Market actually gone down even lower than that. Because of that, I have to do my adjustment on call sell position, which is around 6 rupees right now. So let's do the adjustment. After the adjustment, I'm almost making loss of 180 rupees, and let's exit these positions. Market price only. Okay, let's add the positions around the same level, 2 lots each, both the higher sides, and going to sell this 44,300. As you can see, after the adjustment, this is how my payoff chart will look like, and I'm totally into the loss, 30 to 40,000 rupees loss right now. Let's see if market even goes lower than that. I'm actually making more losses, but it seems it could actually recover from that level also. Okay, this is another adjustment of this strategy. As you can see that my premiums are from 8 rupees to 5 rupees from call sell side, and market actually is going down again. So I'm willing to do another adjustment. This is around 2 o'clock, and let's do the adjustment and clear out this one. And the oldest one is my call buy is 6 rupees, this one. Let's exit the positions. Okay, I'm executing at market price only. Now let's add new positions. I'm going to buy at the money 2 lots again, and going to sell 33 lots. Let's execute the positions. After the execution, this is how my payoff chart will look like. Around 28 lakh rupees or 29 lakh rupees, that is the fund actually I needed, and 50,000 rupees is the maximum profit for me. And let's zoom it to see it. Okay. Currently the market is around here. So if market actually closes, then I'm around 4,000 rupees loss. If it is anywhere here, I'm around 50,000 rupees profit. So let's see if market recovers or not. This is another update as the market actually doing down, and market basically around the same levels. But because of the decay, we are having less premium available to us in call sell position.
So we are going to square up that position again, and the oldest put by call by position. Let's exit the positions. Market price only. Okay. Uh, let's do let's add our positions to buy lots. The same at the money, and 8 delta. We are going to sell 33 lots. Okay, all the positions have been filled. This is how our payoff chart will look like after the adjustment. And as we can see, I'm almost around 9,000 rupees loss on expiry. So today, if market doesn't move from here, I'm almost making 10,000 rupees loss. But if it recovers, then my maximum profit will 53,900. Here is the market right now. Okay, this is the final and status update of everything. I'm not doing any adjustment right now, and this is around 329, and market is about to close. But since I'm almost around 5,000 or 6,000 rupees profit, but I already closed two trades of call sell position, which actually around zero, which actually reached zero, and it's not going anywhere. So I closed that one, and I closed put buy position of 8 lots also, because there's no premium left. It's around zero also. So I closed those two trades, and after those after closing those two trades, my payoff chart will look like this, and that's not included in the adjustment. I just close it because zero premiums over there, and it is not going to change anything because market is around closing time only. And I am now unable to close all the trades which you are right now seeing, because it market actually closed right now, and I'm around this position. And as you can see, currently I am only 5,000 showing. It is showing only 5,800 rupees profit. But according to our payoff chart, we should almost at the day of expiry should get 38,000 rupees. So I will be updating if there is any change in the profit. But according to the payoff chart, I should get around 38,000 rupees. So this is it for the trade. Thank you. Thank you very much. And stay tuned.